Understanding the Notion of Beauty. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and thought-provoking topic, the notion of beauty. This concept has fascinated philosophers, artists, and individuals across centuries and cultures. But what does it really mean? Let's explore together how beauty is perceived and what it signifies in various contexts. Beauty is often described as a characteristic of someone or something that provides a perceptual experience of pleasure, satisfaction, or harmony. But it's important to understand that beauty is subjective. What one person finds beautiful, another may not. This subjectivity is influenced by personal experiences, cultural backgrounds, and societal standards. Historically, the notion of beauty has evolved significantly. In ancient cultures, beauty was often linked to divine or moral qualities. For example, the ancient Greeks idolized physical perfection and symmetry in their art and architecture, seeing it as a reflection of divine order. In contrast, the Renaissance period emphasized naturalism and human emotion, broadening the scope of what could be considered beautiful. Beauty standards vary greatly across different cultures. What's deemed beautiful in one culture can be vastly different in another. For instance, in some African cultures, scarification is seen as a mark of beauty and status. Meanwhile, in many Western societies, there's a strong emphasis on youthfulness and slimness. This section highlights the importance of respecting and understanding the diversity of beauty standards worldwide. The media plays a powerful role in shaping perceptions of beauty. With the advent of social media, we're bombarded with images and messages that often promote a narrow and unrealistic standard of beauty. This section discusses the impact of these influences on individual self-esteem and the importance of promoting a more inclusive and diverse representation of beauty. In closing, the notion of beauty is rich and complex, encompassing a wide range of perceptions and expressions. It's crucial to recognize the subjectivity of beauty and the impact of cultural, historical, and social factors on what we deem beautiful. Let's embrace diversity and challenge the narrow definitions of beauty presented to us. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. I hope it's been enlightening and encourages you to see beauty in a broader light.